Hey everyone, we are back with your market stats for Oakville of December of 2022. Now let's take a closer look and see what the stats have to tell us. All right, so looking at this page here, we're seeing that the MOI, months of inventory, is well over 3 months. That's telling us this is a good buyer's balanced market. A lot more time for buyers to start to look at some properties. And if you see the average days of market, it's 131 days, up from 25 days of last month in November. So we're having more properties on the market for a longer period of time. We're also seeing the average sale price actually increasing by 16% for Oakville. That's a good sign. All right, so looking at the sold price trends in Oakville for 2022, we did see a dip in back in June, but it's bounced back up. And to be honest, we're actually seeing for the month of December, it's starting to increase slightly. So that could mean that we're seeing the bottom of the potential price drops and maybe a slight recovery. We'll see what happens in the new year. So let's look at this over a 7 year period. We're seeing still, even though on the micro scale, some price fluctuations, overall, we're still seeing prices of homes going up. So this still is good home investment. So this last slide is talking about the types of homes we're looking at, anywhere from a detached all the way down to condos. Looking specifically at the detached, we're seeing that MOI of more than 3 months, meaning that it's a good buyer's market. But there are some differences when we're talking about semi-detached as well as the condo townhouses, still lower than 3, basically meaning there's a lot more activity and it's more of a seller's market in those categories. One thing I want to also point out is the average selling price to listing price still in the very high 90s, meaning that if you price your home accordingly, you're going to get very close to what you're asking for. That's a really good sign as well. Overall, the average days on market anywhere between a little bit more than 2 weeks to over maybe even over a month, and that's a good sign. So you have more time to deliberate and think about exactly the kind of property you're looking for. Do your due diligence before you move in. So if you have any more questions about these numbers, about these stats, any advice that you're looking for, my name, Tariq Alibaksh, email, phone number just down below. Reach out, we can have a conversation, and have a great day. Bye.